Hello everybody, so it's currently 12:30, beautiful Saturday. As I'd said that I'm actually traveling to Timau.
Oh my god! Wow!
To a very beautiful hotel, the Mount Kenya Regency, owned by a very good friend of mine as well. So she requested me to come and do a vlog, which I've just started my journey. I'm traveling alone today, not with a family. I wish they could be there. Yeah, we have a few influencers who are going to be there today. So let's see how everything goes. I will try and show as much as I can. Till then, keep it locked. And yeah, we'll drive slow. It's going to take around 4 hours. So it's actually showing me that I might reach there around 4:30, 5 o'clock in the evening. So let's see what time we make it. But till then, so far so good. And I'm actually on the mic and everything today because I have been told that voice is not that clear. So I will try and see I don't let you guys down again. We are currently passing from a very small town called Makuyu. As you can see, some vendors who are selling vegetables, pineapples. You'll get a lot of pineapples here because of Del Monte. Del Monte is the biggest pineapple farm, so a lot of pineapples that you can get it at a very good rate. Just look at that view. Amazing, amazing. This is what I was saying, you know, just don't explore Mombasa or just Naivasha. There's so much to explore in Kenya. I would say the beautiful Kenya. It's very safe, roads are amazing, the views are beautiful, the weather is amazing. So, and you are going to die for these views. Entered the beautiful Sagana town as well. If you don't know about Sagana, there's river rafting. There's so much of activities that you can do in Sagana. There's so many beautiful hotels as well in Sagana, and it actually just takes you an hour and a half from Nairobi to Sagana. So it's a very beautiful town. I want to come and explore it as well. Let's hope I can do it soon. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to record this, but whoa, these cars look dope. If I'm not wrong, I remember PUBG with this. Ooh la 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 la. So if you know you're a PUBG fan or you play PUBG, you should know these cars. There's something that I've learnt in life, and that is life gives you a lot of opportunities. It is on you on how you're going to grab that opportunity. But one thing that I know is, hi, fine, good, thank you. Oh, that was sweet. Yes, so as I was saying, life does give you a lot of opportunities. It is on, yeah, thank you. It does gives you a lot of opportunities, but I think it is on you on how you're going to grab it. But once you grab the opportunities, it doesn't become easy, it becomes more difficult. You're going to have obstacles, you're going to get challenges, and that is when life really tests you. And that is, I think, what I'm going through. Yes, I've been given a lot of opportunities. I think I was really worried about the society. I was really worried about what everybody's going to think. Till I'm like, you know what, enough is enough, and I will do what life wants. So currently we are at near Nanyuki highway, and The reason why I stopped here, I needed to stretch a little bit, but something very amazing that I want to show you is this. So this is actually an airstrip. It's a Nanyuki airstrip. I really don't want to go inside right now, but there's a very nice restaurant, Barney's restaurant. If you're a vegetarian, you should not worry because their pizzas, their pastas, everything are very, very nice. So I'm really not hungry right now that I want to go and munch. Maybe in return we'll see if we can stop by. But currently we'll just continue with our journey. Beautiful sunny. It's 21 degrees right now. 2:15. And we've got like another an hour and a half before we can reach. Yeah, so far so good. So this is actually the sign which says equator. So we are actually standing at the equator right now, between the half of two sides of the world.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
So if you're ever coming here, you should stop over here because this is something very interesting. And here we are. We have arrived. It's not very difficult to find it because it's a very straight road, and see where the car is coming out from is where we are actually heading into. Such a beautiful place this is. All right, so we finally arrived, and this is currently how it looks. 4:45, and good time to reach. I just met the beautiful Zara. She's very shy. I don't know if she's going to come inside my vlog or not, but yeah, we'll ask her if she wants to. But yeah, let me just show you how the view looks like. So in fact, she's just told me the lunch is ready. It's so nice of her. She's so welcoming, by the way. Anytime you're coming, and if she's here, you are not going to believe the hospitality that she's going to give you. But let me just show you before I show you inside. Yes, this is the pool area, and you okay? So this is the entire pool area. These are the rooms. The views are going to be beautiful. So these are currently the rooms, and it's very cloudy today, but if I take you to this side, it's actually, that's where Mount Kenya is, so it can be seen properly. Such a beautiful place, amazing. So this is the reception area, and we will proceed inside. And amazing, very peaceful. And we have this handsome gentleman. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Victor is my name.
Victor, how are you?
I'm good.
This is not the first time I'm meeting Victor, by the way. We have met severally. Every time I've come here, he's been here, and it has been amazing. So this is your Mount Kenya Regency. Anything I need to sign on?
Maybe just your name.
Details, yeah? Okay, let me do that. So we have live pasta channel here, rice, dal, got roti, sabji. Oh, this is my favorite, by the way. Salad and soup. So we've just sat down for lunch. Once again, my favorite sabji, I didn't even know. So this is so nice. Let me just show you what I'm eating. I was actually hungry, but yeah, let me show you what I'm eating. So we've got rotis, a little bit of pickle, sabji, and dal. All right, so time for a room tour, and this is downside. We were taking a video from there. That's where the swimming pool is, and now time for the room tour. The good thing about it is you can actually bring your cars where you are, so no walking, nothing. Come all the way down here, bring your car towards the room. And so I've been told, I've been given the best view for the room, and let's see what that says. So I'm in room number 9B. If I'm not wrong, there's some rabbits around. Let me take you where the rabbits are. So this is Wayne, one of the amazing photographers, a videographer. Are you all set?
Yeah, I'm set.
Okay, great.
Set. I'm just taking.
All right. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna talk to Wayne later on. He's busy shooting. This was Jumbo. I can see some setup being done for night. It is going to be good. And that is the view. If you look at that view, that looks beautiful. Looks like it's going to rain. What an ambience. Beautiful, peaceful. We have a few influencers who are actually shooting right now. I hear one or two have actually gone to the other places to shoot and all that. But the only thing that you hear right now are the birds just chirping. Do you call it chirping or something? The birds noise, and it is so peaceful. I don't know if you can hear the birds, all different types of birds. So the good thing about coming to this place, Mount Kenya Regency in Timau, that is you can come with your whole family. No alcohol, which is a good thing for me as well. No alcohol allowed. Kids play area, you know, your kids can play. You can just relax, sit down, peace, you know, just feel the breeze. It is cold, so make sure, you know, you come when you've got your best heavy attire, because it gets very cold, and that is what I love. Obviously the staff, everybody, you know, Zara, very welcoming, very welcoming. A lovely place to be. I can wake up here every single day. That is how much I'm in love with this place. And their prices, everything is just too good. Friendly prices, no problem at all. And yes, you should once check it out. You should come and see this place. It's that good. That's what I will say. It is that good. So we have just come back to the room, and it's getting to 6:30, but okay, by the way, power is gone. I don't know what's with me and going to the events or anywhere and power goes.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
I need to get checked properly, but just look at the weather. It has started raining. Oh my God. It is beautiful. How beautiful can this be? And it's cold. It's very cold. It's currently 14 degrees. The reason I came to the room, I needed to get my hoodie. And as soon as I reached the room, it started pouring. Just look at this weather. I am not going to be able to stand outside for long because I'm freezing right now. But look at the weather. Oh. All right, so we are heading for dinner and it's currently very, 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 very cold. So we've currently come for dinner, and before we can head inside, we have this handsome gentleman who's doing shoots. So I really don't want to interfere with his shoot. Any message? Apart from it's very cold.
The meal is sweet, jam. Even
What?
I've not tasted, but it's sweet.
How's the temperature right now?
Too cold.
So it's very cold. I think it's nearly 14 degrees right now, and it's yet 9 o'clock.
It's cold.
Okay, it is cold. This is a big one day I will reach to this. And I have somebody very special that I need to bring her in. She's just going to charge me so much to come in the video, but
Absolutely.
excuse me ma'am, do you mind coming in the video? And
all these
here
paparazzi,
it is.
media people just harass.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
How is the going?
I am not worn what I was supposed to wear. I
What's
planned such a
the
nice
reason?
outfit
What's
for
the
Momo
reason? What's the
because
reason?
it's freezing. It has rained and we are all shivering. But
I
you know
know.
what? Health is more important.
That's very important.
Because it is necessary. And I just want to say one thing that I'm very proud of you.
Thank you so
And,
much.
we rise and shine.
Oh yes,
And
we do.
keep doing what you do the best because you're amazing.
Thank you so much.
Now
I've been a
send me
big
that
follower.
M-Pesa you promised me to say good things.
Let me take you around. We've got some soup, chutneys available, salads. We've got the veg pizzas. There's ugali and sukuma. So this is a Kenyan local food. We've got chips here, veg noodles and chips as well. So yeah.